Why tallow didn't fix my skin is not something I ever expected to say, especially after seeing so many people say how it completely transformed their eczema and acne. I actually used it consistently. I wanted it to work, and in some ways it did. But what happened next is what completely changed the way that I think about skincare. And it has nothing to do with what I was putting on my face. I'm going to share the exact shift that made the real difference because it surprised me. When I first started using tallow, I really thought that I had found the thing. Tallow balm is rendered beef fat made into a skin balm. It's rich, deeply nourishing for the skin, very aligned with ancestral skincare traditions. And a lot of people, myself included, love it because it's simple and natural. And honestly, it did feel amazing on my skin. The dryness improved, the skin barrier felt calmer, the skin felt very protected. But here's what confused me. My deep cystic acne breakouts didn't change. Not the painful ones under the surface. Not the inflammation that felt like it was coming from deeper layers. And that's when I started wondering, what if my skin wasn't actually the problem? And we'll come back to that in a minute because this realization is what changed everything. Now, I'm not a medical doctor. This is just my experience, and everyone's skin is different. But for me, tallow gave surface support, not full resolution. And that distinction matters. And before we get to that, if you'd like a collection of DIY home remedy recipes, make sure and check out my free ebook linked down in the description below this video. The real turning point didn't happen in my skincare routine, it happened in my kitchen. In my late teens and early 20s, I was underweight, exhausted, dealing with migraines and horrible cystic acne. I thought I was eating clean, but my body was depleted. Through research and lots of trial and error, I started focusing on supporting my microbiome instead of attacking my skin. And this is where things slowly started shifting. I began adding meat stock, homemade fermented foods like kefir, sauerkraut, beet kvass, and more, extra animal fats, organ meats, and gentle detox supports. And here's the part that a lot of people don't talk about. The changes weren't dramatic at first. They were subtle, almost unnoticeable, until one day I realized that something big had stopped happening. I'll tell you exactly what that was in a second. It wasn't overnight, it wasn't trendy, it wasn't flashy, but it was foundational. And foundation beats fad every time. And before we get to that, leave me a comment and let me know. Have you ever had something work temporarily on your skin, but the problem kept coming back? Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear your experience. Now here's the thing that most skincare conversations completely ignore. Your skin is oftentimes a downstream reflection of what is happening internally. For me personally, once my digestion improved, everything else followed. And I didn't even treat acne directly. I followed ancestral, nutrient-dense principles from the GAPS protocol. And if you're not familiar with GAPS, it stands for Gut and Psychology Syndrome or Gut and Physiology Syndrome. I took a break from foods that irritated my digestion, focused on easy-to-digest nourishment, supported my beneficial flora, and added gentle detox supports. And here's what stopped happening. The deep cystic acne breakouts stopped cycling. The pattern broke. And that was the moment that I knew something deeper had shifted. And again, this is my experience. Everyone's situation is different. But when the internal inflammation lowered, my skin didn't need as much external intervention anymore. And before we get to the next piece that I almost missed, if you're looking for a step-by-step guide to start feeling better this week, be sure and check out my free Gut Reset Jumpstart Guide linked in the description below this video. There was one piece I almost missed, and if I had skipped this, I don't think my skin would have fully changed. As my body became more nourished, it actually needed help cleaning up. Not aggressive detox, not extreme cleanses, gentle support. Things like sunlight, Epsom salt baths, supporting my liver with nourishment, managing stress and emotional processing. And this is the part that a lot of people don't want to hear because it's not a product. It's a lifestyle shift. And this is where my skin fully cleared and stayed clear for good. Not just temporarily better, sustainably different. Tallow helped my skin feel softer, but internal support changed the pattern. So does this mean tallow doesn't work? Not exactly. Tallow can be incredibly supportive for the skin's dryness or barrier support. We use it in our home all the time for surface level support. It is our go-to skincare product for sure. But for me, acne wasn't a moisture problem. It was a deeper imbalance. And once I addressed the root, I didn't need to rely on heavy topical applications anymore. I stopped trying to fix my skin and started nourishing my body. That mindset shift changed everything, and it might change things for you too. If you've tried product after product and nothing seems to fully work, maybe your skin isn't broken. Maybe it's your body asking for deeper nourishment. Start gently. Start foundationally. Start internally. Your skin might not need another cream, it might need a stronger foundation. And if you would like a shopping list for better hormones, digestion, and mood, make sure to check out my Real Food for Real Results shopping list, linked down in the description below this video. It's completely free, along with my DIY home remedy recipes ebook and my free gut reset jumpstart guide, all linked down below this video. Now that you know why tallow didn't fix my skin, you might be wanting to start eating for better gut health. But how do you do that? It all starts by watching this video next here, where I share what I eat in a week for clear skin. Because when you pair what you just learned in this video with what you're about to learn here, it's so much more powerful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.